If you're working with the data in Python, should you use a normal Python list or NumPy? They can both store numbers, but when you are working with thousands or millions of values, the difference becomes important. Let me show you. So let's have a list first of all, with the 5 numbers only, right? And let me have a NumPy also, NumPy array, right? So import NumPy as NP and np.array. Let me pass my list here to convert into array, and let me just give the variable name. In order to confirm, you can check the type of this L, which is list, and type of this A, which is a NumPy array. Now if I want to do an operation to multiply each of this number in the list by 2, and I'll simply perform operation L into 2. I was expecting that each number will be multiplied by 2 in the list, but here you see the list get double. So in Python, if I multiply the list by 2, Python does not multiply every number. It simply repeats the list twice. But let me perform this on a NumPy array, and you see here the same operation multiplies every element by 2. This is called as vectorized computation. So the real difference between a NumPy array and a list is that the operations are easy to understand, right? So that's where NumPy becomes extremely useful for data analysis. You can perform mathematical operations on entire arrays without manually looping through every value. And one very important thing is the memory also, right? So let's see. If I have a list, right, let me import a library dot get size of each element of list, which stores 28 bytes of data, and I multiply it with the length of the list. That means in order to store 5 elements in a list, I need 140 bytes of data. But let me find the item size of each element present in the NumPy array. It is only 8 bytes of data multiplied by the length of the NumPy array. It's only 40. You see the difference, right? 140 versus 40. That means Python lists are general purpose containers. NumPy arrays are built for numerical computation, and on the memory side also they are storing the data in less amount. So NumPy arrays are very important, and it is fundamental to data science and machine learning. So if you are learning Python for data science, don't just learn Python syntax, learn NumPy, because this is where Python start becoming a serious data analysis tool.